How to uninstall Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the app. First of all, navigate to the place where it is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Tap on this eye icon. Now be in this app info. Here you can customize different settings on the app. Here on the bottom, there's an uninstall button. Simply tap on uninstall. Now before doing this, make sure you have your account ID and password saved. So even make sure you have your GitHub account and ID saved, because later you might need it when you install and use this app. Now tap on OK. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, the app is completely gone from my device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.